Welcome to Paladin Global Markets Online Business Podcast. I am so excited. We have Deirdre Tshien here today. Deirdre, thanks for joining us.
Hi.
Welcome back to the show.
Yeah, I'm so excited to be here again. I love speaking to you, Michelle. So thanks for having me.
Absolutely. You're an amazing guest. And I'm so excited because we have you here specifically because of the virtual summit that's coming up. Really looking forward to it. So June 1st through June 3rd, there's still free tickets available, right?
Yes. Guys, you've got to get in. It is going down in almost a week, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah, a week. And it's absolutely free. I don't know. Should I bring up, what do you think, Michelle? Should I bring up the screen to show everyone?
Let's do that. Let's show everyone.
Awesome. Okay, so this is the landing page. I mean, I don't know how exciting this bit is, but okay. But I do want to call this out because this is the only summit that you do need to launch, grow, and scale your e-commerce business. So wherever you are in your entrepreneurship journey, whether you're thinking of starting an e-commerce business, whether you've got one and you're kind of looking to grow it, or whether you're really at that scale stage now, like this has everything. This summit has everything that you need because I have spoken to 32 experts, and of which Michelle is obviously one and I loved our chat, Michelle. Seriously, I was like, yes, I'm getting started on eBay.
I'm fun. That's great.
But just to give you an idea, now day one is all about launching your e-commerce business. We are covering everything from like brand storytelling, photography, because photography is a big one for products, and I think we spoke about that as well, Michelle.
Hold on.
Your Shopify website, your subscription boxes, Michelle, obviously, here you go, eBay, Amazon, creating a launch plan, empowering yourself. Then we go into day two, which is just builds on that because that's just your foundation, right? That's getting started. Now we're looking to grow, and we have everything from speakers, experts in Instagram, beating the Instagram algorithm, collaborating with influencers and with businesses, Pinterest, TikTok, SEO, YouTube, being really confident with taking selfies and videos. And then day three, like you'd think that was enough value, but no, let's keep going.
Yes.
Because day three is all about scaling. And here we're talking about email marketing and bots for e-commerce, which is so cool. Yes. We have Facebook ads, we have Pinterest ads, Google ads, creating content, more email marketing, affiliate marketing. Like this is just a blockbuster of a summit. So I'm just so excited about it.
Oh my gosh. That's why I wanted to have you back on just to share because it is huge and for free. I mean, this is definitely something people need to carve out time in their schedules and be a part of it. It's just packed full of value. You've worked so hard on putting this together. Thank you so much for sharing this with us. Is there any tips that you can give us before we let you get back to planning everything that you have going on behind the scenes for this?
Oh, tips. Okay. Well, in terms of the summit itself, I would highly recommend that you upgrade to the All Access Pass. So yes, the summit is free and there is a ton of value already packed in. Seriously, Michelle, I have been in these interviews and I'm like, wow, I cannot believe how much gold is being dropped.
Yes, I can't wait to listen myself.
It was insane. So that was just the free part. But then I was like, as you would know, Michelle, I split up every interview into two parts because I really wanted to then hone in and deep dive onto things specifically in that speaker's wheelhouse. And wow, like mind blown. It was amazing. But these deep dive interviews, guys, they are only going to be available in the All Access Pass. So not only will you get access to those second interviews with all 32 expert speakers, but you will also get lifetime access to both, actually, the first interview and the second interview. So that would be my biggest tip is because trying to have to find time to actually watch these videos and then to actually implement them might get a little bit
it's like a fire hose. You need to be able to refer back to it in the future.
Exactly. So that would be my biggest tip is definitely getting on the All Access Pass. You will not regret it because it's knowing what people have said, I'm like, oh, it's just so good.
It is.
So that would be my biggest tip there for sure.
Oh, that's awesome. And could you share with us how much could they purchase that for, so they can get that wealth of information from all of these industry experts that you've put together for us?
Okay, so if you get in now, before the summit starts, so before June 1st, the special price is $67 only. Now, you've got to, when the summit starts, it does go up. It goes up to $97. So guys, you want to get in now. Get in now while you can.
Don't wait.
Save some of that money, because the prices will be going up during the summit and then again after the summit. So get in now.
Awesome. Very, very cool. Well, I can't wait. And I'm so glad we were able to steal you away for another few minutes just to be able to share the amount of value that's available for this summit. And again, I'm very honored that I was able to be a part of that. Thank you for the invitation. And so I guess we will see you on June 1st then.
Yeah, I can't wait. Thanks so much, Michelle.